Best Portable Rechargeable Fan Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular rechargeable fans in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this portable fan so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this portable fan. The one that made our list is the O-Polar Rechargeable Clip-On Fan. This portable clip-on fan is configured with a long-run durable polymer battery with micro USB and USB-C charging ports for fast charging that can be used both indoors and outdoors. You can even charge your devices while the fan is on. This fan is assembled with advanced 8-inch blades to generate superior airflow. There are 3 speed settings you can choose from and an energy-saving mode that's available too. The enhanced circuitry makes sure that there's quick, safe charging and surge protection as well. The clamp and pivot combination offers 360-degree angle capabilities. You can use it indoors, outdoors, on a stroller, in your car, or anywhere you need a cool breeze fast. To check out the full specs of the O-Polar Rechargeable Clip-On Fan and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/portable recharge fan. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use this fan. So there you have it, the O-Polar Rechargeable Clip-On Fan. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the fan, and its overall functionality, we feel that this fan is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the O-Polar Rechargeable Clip-On Fan and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/portable recharge fan. Alright, thank you for watching.